The world's 20 most powerful fruit processing machines. Not only do they demonstrate exceptional performance in orchards and processing plants, but these machines also revolutionize traditional fruit production with their unique designs and efficient operation methods. From blueberries to pineapples, apples to tomatoes, let's dive into these marvels of modern agriculture and see how they make farmers' lives easier and more efficient. Subscribe to the channel for more exciting content, and welcome to Mech Marvel's Top 20. Oxbow 9240 Blueberry Harvester. Have you ever wondered how such small blueberries can be easily harvested? The Oxbow 9240 Blueberry Harvester is the red envelope magic machine in the agricultural world. This machine is 8 meters long, 4 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 10 tons. Its heart is a powerful 150 horsepower engine paired with an advanced flexible catching system, minimizing fruit damage. It can harvest thousands of kilograms of blueberries per hour, making manual picking seem archaic in comparison. Driving this machine through the blueberry fields feels like controlling a blueberry transformers. Top 19. Pelling Selective Process. Winery Harvester. Handling grapes is as easy as drinking water with the Pelling Selective Process. Winery Harvester. This slogan is no exaggeration. This machine is 7 meters long, 3.5 meters high, 2.8 meters wide, and weighs 12 tons, equipped with a 180 horsepower engine. It's not just a harvester, but a mobile grape processing factory. It integrates functions like destemming and sorting, performing initial processing directly in the field. It can process tons of grapes per hour, making you feel like you're in a future vineyard. Top 18. ERO Grape Liner Series. Have you ever thought a vineyard could have its own Terminator? The ERO Grape Liner Series is exactly that. It is 8.5 meters long, 4 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 13 tons, powered by a 200 horsepower engine. Its automatic driving and precise positioning technology make it seamless in vineyards, harvesting thousands of kilograms of grapes per hour. Watching this machine maneuver through grapevines feels like being in a science fiction movie. Top 17. Litau ORXL Berry Harvester. Have you seen the giant of berry harvesting? The Litau ORXL Berry Harvester is such a machine. It is 7.2 meters long, 3.8 meters high, 2.9 meters wide, and weighs 9 tons, equipped with a 160 horsepower engine. This machine is designed for blueberries, raspberries, and other berries with a gentle vibration system, ensuring the fruit remains intact. It can harvest several tons of berries per hour, skyrocketing your picking efficiency as if you were in berry paradise. Top 16. Holmer Terra Dos T440 Beet Harvester. Have you heard of the Beet Beast? The Holmer Terra Dos T440 is its name. This machine is 10 meters long, 4.5 meters high, 4 meters wide, and weighs 30 tons, equipped with a 530 horsepower engine. It is the ultimate harvesting machine for beets and other root crops, processing tens of tons of beets per hour. Watching this giant in action in the fields is like seeing a beast galloping on the earth, truly breathtaking. Top 15. New Holland Broad Grape Harvester. Do you think grape harvesting can only be done by hand? The New Holland Broad Grape Harvester breaks this perception. This machine is 6.5 meters long, 3.2 meters high, 2.5 meters wide, and weighs 8 tons, powered by a 130 horsepower engine. The Broad Harvester uses a patented shaking system that efficiently and gently picks grapes, processing thousands of kilograms per hour. Just like automatic washing machines free our hands, this machine allows grape farmers to easily achieve large-scale harvesting. Top 14. Amazon UX 11200 Trailed Sprayer. Still using a manual sprayer? The Amazon UX 11200 Trailed Sprayer will make you feel outdated instantly. This giant is 12 meters long, 4 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 14 tons, equipped with a 240 horsepower engine. It has a spraying width of 40 meters and can precisely control every drop of liquid, covering the ground like a protective film. With such high spraying efficiency, you'll feel like you're playing a farming game rather than actually working. Top 13. Apple Harvester by JMT. Can apple picking be so high-tech? The JMT Apple Harvester takes you into the future of agriculture. This machine is 7 meters long, 3.5 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 10 tons, powered by a 170 horsepower engine. It features a flexible gripping system that gently picks apples, avoiding fruit damage. It can process thousands of kilograms of apples per hour, with efficiency comparable to an elite team. Using this machine, you'll feel like you're driving an Apple sports car in the orchard. Top 12. Kubota BX23S Compact Tractor. Even your home garden can benefit from this amazing Swiss Army knife. The Kubota BX23S Compact Tractor. It is 2.7 meters long, 1.3 meters high, 1.2 meters wide, and weighs only 700 kilograms but is equipped with a powerful 23 horsepower diesel engine. This mini tractor is suitable for various small farm and garden tasks, from lawn mowing to soil cultivation, and is incredibly versatile. It features a front loader and backhoe with excellent flexibility to handle various tasks easily. Like a Swiss Army knife at home, it's versatile and reliable. Moreover, it's simple to operate, even for beginners, allowing you to enjoy the fun of being a professional farmer at home. Top 11. Zukal Pruning. Machine. Pruning fruit trees can be this cool? The Zukal pruning machine will open your eyes. This machine is 6 meters long, 2.5 meters high, 2 meters wide, and weighs 3 tons, powered by a 100 horsepower engine. It can automatically prune fruit tree branches with precision and efficiency, processing several hectares of orchards per hour. It features multifunctional adjustable shears and mechanical arms to ensure every branch is pruned correctly. Its advanced sensor system can automatically detect and avoid trunks, preventing unnecessary damage. Like a barber's scissors, this machine traverses the orchard, creating beautiful and tidy tree shapes. It's simple to operate and easy to maintain, making it an ideal choice for fruit farmers. Top 10. Munkhoff Fruit Tech Sprayer. Did you know spraying can be this efficient? The Munkhoff Fruit Tech Sprayer will blow your mind. This machine is 6 meters long, 3 meters high, 2.5 meters wide, and weighs 6 tons, equipped with a 120 horsepower engine. It can precisely and evenly spray liquid on fruit trees, covering a large area with amazing efficiency. It can spray several hectares of orchards per hour, like giving the trees a protective shot. Using this sprayer, you'll feel like an agricultural doctor, precise and professional. Top 9. Blue Line Equipment Apple Harvester. Hardworking people. Harvesting apples must be fast. The Blue Line Equipment Apple Harvester is definitely an efficient choice. This machine is 7 meters long, 3.2 meters high, 2.8 meters wide, and weighs 9 tons, equipped with a 150 horsepower engine. The mechanical arm not only quickly and gently picks apples, but also has an automatic adjustment function to minimize fruit damage. It can process thousands of kilograms of apples per hour, like an apple courier. Precise, efficient, and reliable. Additionally, this harvester has an intelligent sorting system that automatically separates high-quality fruits from inferior ones during harvesting, making orchard management easier. Top 8. Grimm RH24-60 Potato Harvester. Ever thought potatoes could be harvested automatically? The Grimm RH24-60 Potato Harvester makes that dream come true. This machine is 8 meters long, 4 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 12 tons, powered by a 200 horsepower engine. It is designed for efficient potato harvesting, processing tons of potatoes per hour. It's like driving a potato harvesting car in the fields, saving time and effort with impressive results. Top 7. Clemens Roto Blast. Next up is the Clemens Roto Blast pruning machine, perfect for orchard cleaning. This machine is 5 meters long, 2.5 meters high, 2 meters wide, and weighs 3.5 tons, equipped with a 110 horsepower engine. It efficiently clears weeds and leaves in orchards, processing several hectares per hour. Like operating a super vacuum cleaner in the orchard, it's neat and effective. Top 6. COE Citrus Harvester. Have you seen a harvester designed specifically for citrus? The COE Citrus Harvester is such a wonder. This machine is 6.5 meters long, 3.5 meters high, 3 meters wide, and weighs 10 tons, powered by a 160 horsepower engine. Its flexible handling system gently picks citrus fruits without damaging them. It can process thousands of kilograms of citrus per hour, making you feel like you're driving a citrus sports car in the orchard, efficient and professional. Tip 5. Fama Grapes Destemmer. Did you know that destemming grapes can be this efficient? The Fama Grapes Destemmer is designed precisely for this purpose. Measuring 6 meters in length, 3 meters in height, and 2.5 meters in width, and weighing 4 tons, it is equipped with a 120 horsepower engine. This machine can process over a ton of grapes per hour, precisely removing the stems while keeping the grapes intact for the next step. It's as effortless and efficient as using an electric mixer in the kitchen, allowing you to experience the power of technology in your vineyard. Top 4. Zanin TR75 Olive Harvester. Harvesting olives can be as cool as driving a sports car. The Zanin TR75 Olive Harvester is truly the star of the olive grove. This machine, 7 meters long, 3 meters high, 2.8 meters wide, and weighing 8 tons, is powered by a 160 horsepower engine. Its flexible vibration system can efficiently harvest olives, processing several tons per hour and minimizing fruit damage. What's more, it features an advanced navigation system and a comfortable cockpit, making the operator feel like they're driving a luxury sports car through the olive grove. The daily work of olive harvesters is instantly elevated, becoming both easy and efficient as they race through the orchard like a professional driver, experiencing both speed and passion while collecting a bountiful harvest. Top 3. Pharaon Vine Straddling Harvester. Gliding through the vineyard like dancing, the Pharaon Vine Straddling Harvester is such a nimble machine. Measuring 8 meters in length, 4 meters in height, 3 meters in width, and weighing 12 tons, it is equipped with a 200 horsepower engine. With its automatic driving and precise positioning technology, it can effortlessly harvest grapes in the vineyard, processing thousands of kilograms per hour. Even more impressive is its suspension system, which adapts to different terrains, whether flat or sloped, ensuring stable operation. Like a grand dance performance, this machine makes harvesting both beautiful and efficient, as if each movement is composing a graceful dance. Top 2. Automatic Pineapple Harvester by Tusk. Can you imagine the scene of automatically harvesting pineapples? The Tusk Automatic Pineapple Harvester makes this dream come true. This machine, 9 meters long, 4.5 meters high, 3.5 meters wide, and weighing 15 tons, is powered by a 250 horsepower engine. It features an advanced grabbing system that can process several tons of pineapples per hour, ensuring the fruit remains undamaged. What's more special is its intelligent sensors, which can precisely locate each pineapple and adjust the grabbing force to reduce damage. It's like driving a pineapple war chariot in the tropical rainforest, both efficient and spectacular. Operating this machine feels like embarking on a tropical adventure while completing an efficient harvesting task, making farm life a fast and furious experience. Top 1. Tomato Harvester by Pickrite. Tomato harvesting can be this efficient. The Pickrite tomato harvester is born for this purpose. Measuring 8 meters in length, 3.5 meters in height, 3 meters in width, and weighing 10 tons, it is equipped with a 180 horsepower engine. Designed for efficient tomato harvesting and processing, it can handle several tons of tomatoes per hour, minimizing fruit damage. Operating this machine, you'll feel like you're playing in a tomato paradise, saving time and effort while having endless fun. That's all for today's top machines. If you have any thoughts or want to see specific machines, feel free to leave a comment. If you like this channel, press and hold to like and follow us. See you in the next episode.